saw in the right hand of him that sat on the throne, a book written within, and on the backside sealed with 7 seals. Redemption and restoration, that's what 7 angels testify in the cloud. The Lord descending with a shout, a message, the living bread of life, to bring forth his bride. No man was found worthy in heaven, on earth, and underneath the earth. John wept, but for a moment, behold, the Lion of Judah, a lamb stepped forth, took the book to open it and to loose the 7 seals. Redemption and restoration, that's what 7 angels testify in the cloud. The Lord descending with a shout, a message, the living bread of life, to bring forth his bride. Seven angels forming a cloud. This day, this scripture is fulfilled. Redemption and restoration, that's what 7 angels testify in the cloud.